If you want to create Hormozi style reels and captions like this video is going to show you exactly how. Hey everyone, my name is Riley, and in this video, I'm going to take you through this entire process step by step and show you how you can create these captions and reels for completely free. So the first thing that you need to do is click on the top link in the description of this video, and that will take you over to this website called Descript. Now, this is the free video editing software that we will be using in order to create these captions. So once you are on Descript, just click on Get Started for free. And it's then going to take us over to this page where we can sign up for a Descript account. And then once you have created your account, it's going to automatically start downloading Descript. So all we now need to do is go to the installer and make sure that Descript is installed onto your computer. Once it is, open up the Descript editor and sign in with your account, and you will be taken over to a screen that looks like this. So all we are going to do from here is click on New in this top right corner, and then create a new video project. This is then going to open up the editing software. So what we now want to do is right here where it says Add File, we want to click on this, and then in here we can drop the file that we want to add in. It's then going to automatically transcribe the text or the video, so we can just click on Done. And as you can see, this is now automatically transcribing the entire video for us. So now this video is in, and let me just click play, and you can listen to this just raw, unedited right now. If you want to create Hormozi style reels and captions like this, then this video... So as you can see, there's a few mistakes here. Now, mistakes are very easy to get rid of. If you have a section that is a mistake, then you can just go up, highlight this entire section, delete, and that will be deleted. Now, all of these were kind of retakes, so I'm going to delete all of these and delete this as well. So now I am just left with this. If you want to create Hormozi style reels and captions like this video is going to show you exactly how. So once you have deleted all of the mistakes and the different things that you want to get rid of, now we can go in here and actually start adding these captions. So to do this, we want to go up to the top here and click on this text button. And then from this drop down menu, click on captions right here. This is then going to add these captions right here at the bottom. And we can drag these up and place them wherever we would like on the video. Now, these do not quite look like Hormozi captions quite yet. So we do need to do some changes over here on the right hand side. So in here, you can choose the font that you would like to use for this video. I'm going to leave this as Roboto. I think this looks the best. And then this is super important right here is the text size. With Hormozi's reels, he usually has 2 to 3 words on the screen at the same time. So if we just go ahead and turn this up, you can see we want to go until we have like 2 to 3 words on the screen. So I'm going to set this to about 150 size, and let's click play and look how this sounds right now. If you want to create Hormozi style reels, so you can see it is still a little bit off. So we once again want to click into here, and we now need to change the style. So go to the style right here and click on these settings, and we want to go down, make sure this is set to active word. So if this is set to like background, we want to remove this. And we want to just have active word. So we want to go down here to the background and completely remove this. We want to turn the background off. And then we do want to go to border up here. Then the fill, we want to select this yellow color as Hormozi usually has a yellow style in his videos. And then for the border right here, we want to turn this up and get this nice little black effect behind. So we can set this to about 20. And if we take a look at the video now, it's starting to look a lot more like Hormozi. If you want to create Hormozi style reels, I should also mention that in some of Hormozi's content, he doesn't have this jumping effect, and sometimes the entire text just stays yellow or some other color. So if you would like to do this, then all we have to do is go back into here, turn off active word, and then change the fill to this yellow color, and it's now going to look like this. If you want to create Hormozi style reels, I personally think the other option looks better. So we want to go to here, active word, and set this to how it is. And then another super important thing that we need to do is just go to this text section and turn on uppercase. And just like that, it's going to change all of this text to be uppercase. Hormozi style reel just like this. Then we can go in, and if there's any text errors, we just want to change this. So instead of Hormozi, I'm going to highlight this and then click correct and change this to Hormozi. And just like that, I can then change any of the text in here. The final thing that we do have to add is emojis and other things like this, as this is often something that Hormozi has in his content. So all we are going to do is go over to the internet and search for whatever emoji you are looking for. So for reels, I might get like a movie reel and add this in on this text. So all I'm going to do is go over here and search for reel emoji. Then we can go to images. And look, this is pretty bad right here. This is kind of the one that I want. So it's always important to type in Apple and then whatever emoji you are looking for. This way you are going to get to the Apple emojis and they just look so much better. And the ones we are specifically looking for are ones without a background. So if you don't see any, like right here, these all have a background. I'm going to search for PNG. And just like that, I have now found this emoji and I can see by the checkered background that this doesn't have a background. So we can simply save this. Then we want to go back over to the script. And then down here in the bottom corner, click show timeline. Then we want to add this in. So I'm just going to grab the emoji that I just got. We can go in here and drag this in. And this media is now going to be added. So if I just go up on the timeline, I can see this emoji right here. And I only want this to pop up when I say reels. So what I'm going to do is grab the end of this and drag this into where I say reels right here. We can see this on the timeline. And then I'm going to do the same for the other end. So I drag this in to about here. And then of course, I want to resize this emoji, make it a lot smaller, and then place it about here. Now I can watch this again. Reels and captions. Okay, so we want to extend this a little bit more because we said and at the same time. And then what I'm going to do is just zoom in super close to the timeline here and make sure this cuts off at the right point. So about here, we can zoom this back about there. And now if I watch this, style reels and captions like this, we can see that emoji is going to pop up. Style reels and captions. So that is how you can add emojis in right there. You basically want to go in, spread them all throughout this video. So that is how you can create Hormozi style reels and captions. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to smash that like button and tap that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy.